Hey guys, so today is another YesStyle haul. I have some amazing Korean skincare and makeup products to share with you today. And just a little heads up, I'll be giving away some products soon. Not today, but it's coming. So make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned for that. First up is the Missha Perfect Cover BB Cream. This one is the most famous K-beauty based product, and now I understand why. It has a medium to high coverage, evens out my skin tone, and still looks super natural, like skin but better. Plus, it has SPF. Next is the Apeo Startup Pore Primer. This smooths out pores and gives a blurred, soft focus effect before makeup. My foundation sits so much better with this, and it doesn't feel heavy or greasy at all. Then we have the I'm from Mugwort Essence. I only get the travel size just to see the effect, and it's perfect if your skin is irritated, red, or stressed. It is lightweight, soothing, and absorbs fast. Mugwort is amazing for calming and balancing sensitive skin. Okay, Doll Bar Repairing Hair Perfume Serum. It smells so good. Not only does it make my hair soft and shiny, but it also leaves this elegant, fresh scent that lasts all day. Next is the Medicube Deep Vita C Capsule Cream. It has tiny vitamin C capsules that bursts when you apply it, giving you brightening and anti-aging benefits without irritation. This is great for dark spots and dull skin. My favorite cream of all creams, the Purito Oat-In Calming Gel Cream. This is the new box packaging, but don't worry, the tube inside is still the same. It's so calming, lightweight, and perfect for sensitive or dehydrated skin. I can use this day and night without worries if my skin will break out the next day. Next is the Missha Cotton Contour. It's very soft and natural looking, which is perfect if you want that subtle, effortless contour. It is quite light, so you might need to layer it if you want more depth, but it blends beautifully. Then I got the Skinfood Carotene Calming Water Pads. These are soaked in hydrating essence and help calm redness. Perfect for a morning refresh or after washing your face. It's super gentle and soothing. And of course, the COSRX Salicylic Acid Daily Gentle Cleanser. This is probably my 10th time purchasing it. It's that good. It helps prevent breakouts, cleans the skin without stripping it, and keeps everything balanced. So that's everything for this YesStyle haul, and just a reminder, I'll be giving away products soon, so stay tuned for that. Also, don't forget to use the code at checkout for discounts, and click the link in the description to shop directly. Bye!